Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Accounting Hub. Make your study easy. Today I am going to explain how to calculate goodwill under average profit method with past adjustment. So how to calculate goodwill under average profit method with adjustment. In previous video I have explained about what is goodwill, how to calculate goodwill, what are the classification of goodwill, and I have done a question also. Hope you all understood very well, or if you want to refer, please watch my previous video. Average profit method with past adjustment. So there are two steps only for calculating goodwill. First one is average profit. So total normal profit divided by number of years, then goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchased. Only two steps. But here we have to find total normal profit. It should be normal profit. It should be from our normal business profit, not like any abnormal losses or any abnormal incomes are adjusted. We have to do adjustment. So now how to calculate normal profit? So we a normal profit must be the business profit from the day-to-day running of the business. So if any abnormal losses, we have to add back abnormal losses like loss by fire, theft, etc. Then overvaluation of opening stock, undervaluation of closing stock, then non-recurring expense which are not expected in future, then capital expenditure charged as revenue expenditure. These items we have to add back. Abnormal losses means we already subtracted from our profit, that is why we have to add back to make it normal profit. So now we have to calculate with the normal profit only. So these items you have to add back. Now abnormal gains, example profit on sale of fixed asset, it is already included in the profit. So we have to subtract it for making normal profit. So we have to subtract it. So undervaluation of opening stock, overvaluation of closing stock, then non-recurring income, then income from non-trade investment, partners remuneration if it's not deducted. If deducted, no need to consider. If it's not deducted, we have to deduct it because we are considering it as an expense. Then any further expense like insurance premium. Insurance premium is our recurring expense. Recurring expense we have to subtract it. How to calculate normal profit? These item you have to add and these item you have to subtract, then you will get normal profit. Then take the total of normal profit divided with number of years, then you will get average profit, that into goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase. Let me explain one question. Simran purchased Anita's business on 1st April 2019. It was agreed to value goodwill at 3 years purchase of average normal profit of the last 4 years. So profit for last 4 years profit given. The following further facts are noticed from the books of account. During 2016, assets sold at a profit of rupees 10,000. 2017, machine got destroyed in an accident and loss return of 30,000. During 18, insurance premium rupees 10,000. These are the adjustments. So how to adjust this? Assets sold at a profit of 10,000. See, this is abnormal income. So we have to less it to make less. We have to subtract it for making normal profit. Then in 2017, machine got destroyed in an accident and loss return of 30,000. So our profit is already subtracted one only. So we have to add back. So abnormal losses we have to add back, abnormal gains or incomes you have to subtract. So here you have to add back for making normal profit. During 2018, insurance premium rupees 10,000. This is a recurring expense, we have to subtract it. So only 3 adjustment here. So see, let's see the table. Year already given in the question and profit also given in the question. So the adjustment also mentioned here. So first adjustment in 2016, abnormal gain we have to minus and then make it normal profit. So this is profit, this is adjustment and normal profit. In 2017, at normal losses we have to add back. So along with 2017 profit we have to add this 30,000 and we will get normal profit of 190. In 2018 insurance premium, also insurance premium of rupees 10,000 is there. This is recurring expense, we have to consider it as a normal expense, we have to subtract it, then you got normal profit. 2019 there is no adjustment, then take the total of normal profit then divided with the number of years. So, total normal profit is 6,60,000 divided by number of years 4. So, you will get average profit of rupees 1,65,000. Now, goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase, that is goodwill. So, this is the calculation of normal, this is a calculation of goodwill under average profit method with the past adjustment. And same thing only in weighted average profit also, till here same calculation, and after that you have to give weight for each profit 1, 2, 3, 4, then multiply with weight. This is weighted profit. So, 80,000 into 1, then 1,90,000 into 2, then 1,70,000 into 3, then 2,20,000 into 4. Then take the total of weighted profit, then same weights also we have to take the total, then divided by total of weighted profit divided by total weights, that you will get average weighted average profit. So, that into number of years purchase will be goodwill. So, this is very easy, but only the adjustment we have to be careful, and these items you have to study well. So, items to be added for making normal profit are normal losses, overvaluation of opening stock, undervaluation of closing stock, non-recurring expense, then capital expenditure charged as revenue expenditure. Then these items we have to subtract abnormal gain, then undervaluation of opening stock, overvaluation of closing stock, then non-recurring income, income from non-trade investment, partners remuneration if it is not deducted. If it is deducted, nothing to consider. If it is not deducted, we have to subtract it. Then any insurance premium also we have to subtract. So, this is the method of average profit method with past adjustment. So, calculation of goodwill under average profit method with past adjustment. This average profit method is divided again into simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. So, there are two methods. So, friends, hope you all understood this portion very well. I will be coming with the next portion, super profit method, how to calculate goodwill under super profit method. And if you like my channel, please watch it and subscribe it and like it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.